Honestness, is my voice is loud and clear? Could you please confirm? Honestness. Okay. Yeah, now could you please confirm me now? Now it is clear. Yeah, done. So in the last class, we are discussing about the Excel project and how to do the Excel project and by using the pivot tables and condition based and everything and how to create a dashboard, right? Now, in the today's class, uh, and before to that, I have also told you that Microsoft certifications I'm going to share, and this is the Microsoft certification questions which I'm going to share it to you. Here is the Microsoft questions overall. So as I've told you earlier, Microsoft questions I'm going to share around 150 to 200 questions. And here I'm going to share you this PDF. And in this PDF, you are having approximately 320 questions are available. If you can clear these 320 questions, if you can practice, okay, mostly, almost in your real-time exam, within these 320 questions only, you are going to get most of the questions. If you practice these 320 questions also, I'm 100% guarantee for you to you will clear the exam. Okay. So we have given for you the question, and along with the question, answer also and reason also I have given for you. What is the reason? Okay. Explanation part also was added. And for every question along with that, it was added. Okay. Questions and along with that. So just you are going to choose whichever the option is correct and you are going to write that one, right? So as I've told you, the Microsoft questions will be either in terms of MCQ, single correct answer, or it can be multi correct answer, or it can have even drag down. What is meant by drag? Drag means here it is also called as drag down or drop down. So here you are having the within the Microsoft this PDF, entire PDF I'm going to share it to you guys. Okay. Today I'm going to share this PDF and I request everyone to take the Microsoft certification at the earliest. Right now, so here uh, you are having the first one is MCQ, that is one correct answer. MCQ with multi correct answers, that is called as multi select questions. MCQ means only one correct answer will be there. But in the multi select, multiple correct answers will be available. Multi correct answers are available. And along with that, drop down. What is meant by drop down means here side one arrow mark will be available. You have to click on the arrow mark, then options will be available for you. In that, you have to select which option is correct. Okay, that is called as drop down. Example would be like this. Here you have to click on this. Here 4 options will be there. Any one option will be correct. You have to select that correct one. Similarly, again, one more drop down. So here, how many drop downs are there? 2 drop downs are there. So how many marks this question is? 20 marks question. One correct answer will give the 10 marks. 2 correct answers will give 20 marks. 0 correct answers will give 0 marks. So this concept is called as drop down. Okay. So just you have to click on this and you have to select. Next, you are also having in terms of second one is called as joins. Sorry, not joins. Drag and drop. This is drop down. Drop down means arrow mark will be there. Drag and drop. What is meant by drag and drop means whatever this option is there, you have to drag with your mouse and you have to place. For example, here left side table product, right side table is product subcategory. Now, when you are applying this one, what type of join you are going to apply? For example, answer. Let's take an answer as inner join. Assume. First, you have to read the question. Directly, we not fix the answer. Na? First, read the question. Now, assume if it is inner join, In this case, what we have to do is drag drop. Can you see on the top drag drop is there? In the Microsoft exam also, it will be visible like this only. Whichever you are having the drag drop, that one you have to drag. Means this one you have to drag and drop here. And this one you have to drag and drop here. So again, here two options are there. How many marks question it is? 20 marks question. Most of the questions would be 20 marks or 30 marks questions only will be more. Okay. Just you are going to drag them and drop them, right? So this is called as drag and drop. And this is a normal general question, A, B, C, D, out of which one you are going to select, which is the correct answer, that one you are going to select. Okay. So as you know, MCQ questions, you know. Again, they'll be giving the tables and how to combine these tables. And here, order of the sequence. Again, it is drag drop. So the heading will be in terms of drag drop. Drag drop means here, overall, these are the options. In this, which is the order? Which order you have to perform? What is the order of performance? First which one, followed by which one, followed by which one? So order of execution. So here, total 3 steps you are going to do one by one. So which 3 actions should you perform in sequence? Which 3 actions? So out of 5, 3. First one, which one? Second one, which one? Third one, which one? So to select this one, if you right click on this, okay, automatically that will be selected here. Next, if you select second one, right click on that, that will be selected. Whichever the option you are selecting and right click on that, if you click on this, it will come into the answer area. And within the answer area, up and downs you can do. That is, you can keep in the sequential order. So exam pattern would be like this. Multi correct answers will be there. Multi choice questions will be there. Drag down will be there. Drop will be there. Adjusting like this will be there. So what are the different types of questions are possible? I have added all the types of questions here. And for every question with explanation also available. Answer is available, explanation also available. Try to complete this one at the earliest. 320 questions are there. If possible, for every one question, if you spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so, and once you complete everything, okay, again you revise one more time. Again you revise one more time. After revising at least 2 times, now you go for the Microsoft exam. 100% I'm saying now, 100 out of 100% guarantee that you will clear the certification. Once you clear the certification, there is a high possibility of getting the job. Just you have to spend some time for learning. Okay. At the same time, without learning anything, means without having the Power BI knowledge, directly we can't by heart the question and answer like that. How many questions we can by heart, miss? Maybe 10 questions or 20 questions. 320 questions, question and answer, how you can by heart? So first concepts are important. After that, this one. Is that clear, guys? So this is the 320 questions which I'm going to share it to you. Right? And these 320 questions, if you practice 100 out of 100, you'll get selected. Is that clear, guys? Everyone? Right? I'm going to upload that one in your drive, within your drive. So here in the drive, you are already having in terms of SQL, okay, statistics, and Python. SQL and statistics is irrespective of anything. Okay. SQL and statistics are irrespective of everything. Means whether you do the end-to-end project with Python also, SQL statistics is common. Whether you do with the Power BI also, end-to-end project is common. And for all these things, this is going to be the common. So this is Power BI and Excel. And finally, Tableau. Now, which we are discussing is Tableau. Right? And you have taken the multiple times, different exams you have taken, and hackathon you have done, end-to-end projects you have done, like this multiple things you have done. So just now I'm going to just add here Microsoft certification questions. Microsoft certification based questions. Okay. So already I told you how you have to register for Microsoft. Okay. And just I'm adding here the questions, which is a total of 320 questions. Just to give me a minute. And you can cross check once you have received or not. Please confirm me. Guys, attending the classes, knowledge is more important. Simply attending the classes, everyday class I'm attending will not give the job. Your projects and certification only will give the jobs. Remember this one. Okay. Projects and certification. Only these two will give the jobs. First one is projects, that is called as your experience. Certification is what level of knowledge you are having. So once you clear the Microsoft certification, okay, just I added here, just you can cross check once. Microsoft certification questions. Just I added the Microsoft certification questions. Everyone could cross check once. And please confirm me whether it is available or not in your drive, online students. I have created a separate folder only for that Microsoft certification. Done. Yeah. So remember, once again, to get the job, two things are only more important. Only two. Sorry, not two, three. Only three. What are the three? Skills, projects, certification. Three. If you are having only one skills is called, sir, I know Python, I know Excel, I know this one, I know. If you say no jobs are there, how much you know only is there. Again, I'm saying, okay. So in the your resume, if you write Excel itself, or if you write Power BI, sir, I have written whatever I have learned, I have written, sir, means, but my resume is not getting shortlisted, means resumes will not get shortlisted based on the single criteria. Resumes will be get shortlisted based on the multiple criteria with the end condition. It is not or condition. You don't apply the logic of or. Industry will apply the condition called as end. It should have three. Skills should be there, project should be there, certification should be there. Certification, which is not Naresh IT certification, which is like Microsoft certification. Points are clear? Whichever the exam, not only Microsoft, if you are interested with any other exam also take, not a problem. But have you written the exam or without the exam? That is only the point. Clear, guys? Now, so in the last class, I have explained for you the Excel, and the Excel project was completed and everything was done. Now, could you please confirm how many you have completed till now? Each of the student, could you please respond with your number of projects till now? How many you have completed on your own? What are the data sets what not selected in the class? Other than that, how many projects you have completed? Everyone, please tell the number only. Just type the number in the chat box. How many additional projects which are not discussed in the class you have completed? Additional end-to-end projects. End-to-end. Not only the part. End-to-end, how many you have completed? Write the number, please, everyone. Online students. 1 means 1, 2 means 2, 0 means 0. Could you please send? Just I'm asking the number. My question is very clear. Only number. Please don't write any sentence, Swapna. Just I'm asking the number. What are the data sets not discussed in the class? Not discussed in the class. Which are not discussed in class. Other than this, how many additional projects not discussed in class? That data set not used in the class. Data set which not used in the class. This would be better. Data set which not used in class. Other than that, how many additional projects you have completed? That is the question. I want only the number. My answer is number. I want each and every student to respond. 2. Sweetie 3. Swati 1. Swapna 3. Mohan 5. Gnan 2. Varshini 2. 2. Manish 5. Okay. Ali 2. Done. You guys? 3. 2. Good. Good. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Whoever the students has completed minimum 3. Whoever has completed minimum 3 along with the Microsoft certification in this week. Try to take the Microsoft certification maximum in the next week itself. Okay. So minimum 3 projects are completed. Now you are going to have the, in terms of Microsoft certification, trust me guys, 100% you will get selected. 100 out of 100% I'm saying. Not even minute deviation is also there. Right? Now, just here for today's class, in today's class, I'm going to have for you, okay, instead of conducting the Tableau class, I'm going to have the test on Excel interview questions. Earlier you have taken on the Excel MCQ questions. Now I want to test you on the interview questions. How you are going to perform in the interview. As multiple students are saying that you have done the multiple projects, right? And I think that you have even completed Excel projects also. Recently, we have completed Excel end-to-end project also, everything. I assume that everyone are clear on the Excel. And I also assume that you have done some project on the Excel also. So for that reason, now I'm going to conduct for you, surprisingly, suddenly I'm going to conduct this exam exclusively on the Excel. Okay. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to share you the questions and let me see. So just please everyone make a note of these questions. Just give me a minute. Yeah, everyone please write in the notepad now. Take the exam now. Online students, please take the exam now. As I've told you now, learning is one step miss. Cross-checking your knowledge is also more important. Simply sitting in the class and listening to the class will not give the jobs. Okay. So I want to test you on the Excel. This is completely Excel based interview questions. And this Saturday you'll have overall complete end to end. Means in the real life in the company, once you join, I mean, once you attend the interview, the questions, whatever you are going to get, that questions we are going to have in the this Saturday. This Saturday there is a exam. Prepare for that. And that is going to be the most important exam. Done. Uh, just I'm going to share you this. I want the answers now only, guys. In next 1 hour, you have to write all these questions and you have to share it to me. Yeah, please take the questions. I want everyone to write the answers now and share before 9 o'clock. I mean, before this class ends to ds.srk.dsmocktest@gmail.com. Online students. I have not shared my screen. Huh? Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to upload even in the drive also. You can check in the drive within the mock test folder. Yeah, in the drive also it is available. You can cross check your drive once. Online students, could you please cross check your drive once? Yeah, in the mock test folder only. You are having within the mock test folder. It is available in your mock test folder. Online students, whoever has completed, please share your answers. Online students, whoever has completed, please send to this particular mail ID. And once it is completed, you can leave. Yeah, whoever has completed, please share to the given mail ID and you can leave. Done.